And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a CareCredit app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the CareCredit app. So if it's not working, you have to just open it. Okay. And if it's not working for you, just click on hold it here. Then click on this I button. It will open the app info. So at here, if you scroll down, just click on the storage. Then click on the clear data. Click on the delete. Then you have to open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not worked, then here you have to go to the google.com and search for the here as care credit app. Okay, then you have to click on this button, then click on this update button, and it will be updated and you can use it. So by this we can just update it care credit mobile app. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.